Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya. For those who just joined my platform, I'm truly happy to have you here. And so you are welcome and welcome to stay and to tell your friends and your family about my channel. So let me just reintroduce myself a little bit. I live in London. I go to work every day. I'll always take you with me majority of the time. You see me catching the train and of course trying almost all the coffees in the world. But my favorite is literally caramel iced latte or cappuccino or something like that. I'm actually open minded to try others just in case it's better than the one that I'm used to. If not, I'm not going to repeat it. But I'm happy to take you with me on board. You can tell your friends and your family about my channel and stay on board for more. Oh my God, I'm not going to bore you with just going to work. There are times I do go out privately, meaning privately brunch with my friends because I love a bit of cocktail and I just love fine wine dining and all that kind of stuff. You've got to live your life, okay? But with that being said, you're more than welcome to stay here. Let's go. One thing is that you can never tame the weather in London. The next minute it's bright, the next minute it's dull. Whenever it's bright, make the best of it. And I hope it enlightens your days because whenever it's dull, it is dull and it only brings depression. Let's go. Naturally, this is my type of weather. A bit on the cooler side and of course no rain and a bit of sunshine. So when it's like this, I may get a iced latte because it's not too cold. But if it's really cold, then I go for something warm. So let's see when I get closer to work what it is all about. Yeah. Actually, so I actually like to do my little. So I always like do this, like little thing, clip stuff. It's so good, but like when the ears, it's honestly. Oh my God, it's so noisy out here. But let's just taste my. It tastes so good. It tastes so good. And let me tell you something, she put so much love into it. I love it so much. Go and get your pumpkin ice caramel latte with cream on top as well. Kickstart the morning in the office. Oh my God, this was from Black Sheep as well. And the service is like top notch. Yeah, top notch. Sometimes the people must be thinking, who is she talking to? Okay, why is the hair like this? Oh my God, I need to fix it. Oh God. Ow, gotta be careful with the hand. But sometimes this is actually, let me show you what I wanted to catch. Look in the background. It's so beautiful. And obviously when the winter fully kicks in, it's going to be dry out. But look at this. This is like so beautiful. Honestly, I just love it. It just brings so much peace and just hearing whatever is going quack quack. Oh, maybe it's a bird in the sky, I have no idea. But yeah, very nice. So a lot of people obviously would come around the side, especially when the summer is bright, take pictures, videos, chilled. Oh my God, I'm gonna miss something quite vital around here. Apples? I'm sure it is. I'm a little bit blonde, so yeah, but I think those are apples indeed. Look at that, so cool. It's amazing. Yeah, I think I can actually go just a little bit further, but of course I'm not going to leave my cup because I need to use it for my ice. Yeah, So whatever you're going through, I just wanted to say, guys, just pray. We have a lot of noises taking place these days. Look, this is all changing now. Before, obviously, there's a time and a season for everything under the sun. Yes. And so we ought need to be mindful. And I can just imagine when it is like proper winter. It's gonna be so iconic to take pictures in your coats and your hats around here. You guys would have seen me obviously visited this area before, where I have lots of flowers, roses popping out. Obviously it's drying up, but look at that, amazing. Literally so much to give God thanks for, and we just need to know and to count our blessing no matter where you are in this world and what's going on. We're always going to get distracted by something, but don't be too distracted. Okay, with that being said, to each and every one of you, I truly appreciate you being here and engaging with me in the comments section as always. And it's autumn now. Are you trying to pink? No, it's not pink. Are you guys trying the pumpkin spice latte caramel with whipped cream on top? It's the bomb. I tend to keep the cup sometime because I want to get my ice in there, but yeah, it's so good. I naturally like to take, the last time I basically got my hair done was for my birthday, and I haven't done it again. What's going on? But it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. You know, we can whatever. I just don't have the time to really focus on the hair thing right now. But check this view out. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Like, I wish you guys could all be here. Definitely, of course. Do remember to support one another, and do remember to check in on each other. Okay, be kind, spread some love. Wherever you go, kindness and what you say to people goes a long way. I'm just looking at how God is so good, because prior to this, everything down here was like so flowery and very rosy. Now everything is getting all dried up, but still beautiful. The nature is amazing. I know sometimes we've got a lot going on in our lives, but let's not give up. And as long as we've got good support system around us, everything is going to be okay. God is good. God is amazing. He's never going to forsake us. He's never going to leave us. Let's trust in him at all times, because he's faithful. He is definitely faithful. My friend and her husband, they're independent travel agents. Yes, I'm so proud of them. Jolly Day. Can you imagine? I had a video there on my channel. Please go and check it out, so I know when I'm going to book my holiday and my vacation where to go, because I ain't got time for that. So I need somebody to sort it out. Yeah, just look at how everyone is just enjoying themselves, taking a walk, whether it's on their lunch break or not. Yeah, so if I didn't have to go back, and I'll be out here all day. Yes.
You want me to take a photo of you?
Oh, do you think so?
Yeah,
I was
you look
actually
great.
Oh, thank you. I was literally just saying on my video how important it is for people to be kind, and you came up and you said this. Honestly, so I'm
perfect.
Thank you so much. I don't mind taking a pic. I'll give you the phone.
Yeah.
Do you see what I'm talking about? How important it is to be nice. So I'm here talking to you guys, and someone was admiring me. A nice, beautiful lady who was so kind to say how lovely I look. I appreciate that. That's what I'm trying to say. We just need to be kind. I love it. As a matter of fact, I don't have all day really for my break, but I'm happy to give you a piece of me and moments. Let me give you another view of how beautiful things are. Hold on. That is just so iconic. Honestly, it is amazing. Wow. I think right now we're in the best area ever. It is so good. And just check the sky out. I really appreciate every one of you subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and engaging with me in the comment section. I also appreciate every single thing that you do with your videos. Your cooking videos, your vlogging videos, your testimony videos, you name it. The excitement is just good to share. Love it. Look at the sky. Oh my god. I wish I could stay out here all day. nice, will keep me going. I like when I'm having the small cubes of eyes. Okay, that looks good. That's it.